Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this Olympiad exponential equation. We're given that 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 30. To solve for the value of x from this equation, the first thing we need to do is to apply multiplication property of indices to the left hand side of this equation. As you can see, 3 to power x and multiply 3 to the power of x, the bases are the same. And whenever the bases is the same and the operation that separates the two terms is multiplication, then we are free to write one of the base, then we add the power. As you can see, 3 the bases are the same, so we're going to write one of the base, then we add the power. The first power is x, the second power is also x, then x plus x is going to give us 2x, which is going to be equal to 30. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to apply logarithm to the both side of this equation. But since the variable we are looking for is in only the left hand side of the equation, then we're going to take the log of both sides to the base of this number here, which is 3. So we're going to take the log of 3 raised to the power of 2x to the base of 3, which is going to be equal to log of 30 to the base of 3. So the next thing we're going to recall, log of a number to its base. When the number and the base are the same, is the same as 1. Then that 1 multiplied by 2x is going to give us the same as 2x, which is going to be equal to log of 30 to the base of 3. Now, as you can see, we are looking for x, and in the left hand side here, we have 2 as a coefficient of x. Now, to eliminate that 2, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2. So we divide the left hand side by 2, and also we do the same thing to the right hand side. So that this 2 is going to eliminate this 2. In the left hand side, we left with only x, which is going to be equal to log of 3, log of 30 to the base of 3, then everything all over 2. So here is the value of x, but we are not going to stop at here. We're going to simplify the right hand side to its lowest form. So we're going to simplify. We are going to have x to be equal to, this 2 here can be factored out as 1 all over 2, then multiply by log of 30 to the base of 3, and 30 is the same as 3 multiplied by 10, which is going to give us 30, then all to the base of 3. Now, what do we do next? We are still going to simplify the right hand side to its lowest form. So we're going to have x to be equal to 1 all over 3 multiplied by, so in this case, we have log to base 3 of 3 multiplied by 10. So according to one of the property of logarithm, this can also be written as what? Log of 3 to the base of 3, then plus log of 10 to the base of 3. So 3 and 10, this is multiplication, so we're going to separate the term inside this bracket, then we're going to take the log of base 3 of both sides in this bracket, then we're going to take the log to base 3 of these two terms inside the bracket, because this is multiplication. But when we are taking the log of both sides separately, this multiplication is going to change to addition. So this is what happened here. So finally, we're going to have x to be equal to 1 all over 2, then multiply by, here is going to be log 3 to base 3, which is going to be the same as 1. A log of a number to its base is the same as 1, then plus log of 10 to the base of 3. So we can change this, we can put this inside bracket, because this 1 over 2, we factor it out, so it's going to affect each term in the bracket. So we're going to have x to be equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 is the same as 1 over 2, then plus 1 all over 2 multiplied by log 10 to base 3 is the same as 1 all over 2 log of 10 to the base of 3. And here is the final simplification of the right hand side. Then we can conclude that x is equal to 1 all over 2 plus 1 over 2 log of 10 to the base of 3. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also follow this page for more video like this.